channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Lanae, and as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful install. Before we start this video, I just want to say that this is not in any way, shape, or form a tutorial. I am just showing y'all how I do my wigs, and yeah, I am gonna be telling you a little tips about like how I do things and why I do them. Probably not even why I do it, but I just be talking as if it's a tutorial, but it's not a step-by-step full detail, this is how you need to do it. No, you can follow it or take bits and pieces from what I say, and if I help you, I am glad to help, but this is not a tutorial. Now let me just give y'all the details on this wig, y'all, before we get started. This is a 26-inch 613, previously 613. I did the color. It is a 13x4 HD frontal, and yeah, I got it from the beauty supply store. If y'all didn't see my beauty supply haul, go watch that, because that is where I got it from. They're currently out of business, so y'all couldn't get this wig if y'all wanted to. So sad, so sad. But yeah, I think that's it. That's all I need to tell y'all. We just gonna get right into the install. Don't play with me. Okay, so I already did my wig cap off camera, and I'm using a regular wig cap underneath and then an HD wig cap for my lace, because the HD wig cap just get the job done. But yeah, I'm gonna put my makeup on the cap. I've never used cream foundation, and that's something I'm gonna try, because all the girlies be seeing use cream, not powder, and I always use powder. So I want to see if it makes a difference using cream instead of powder. And I always like to brush my cap down. Like when I'm putting on the glue, I brush it down. When I'm putting on the makeup, I brush it down, just to make sure it keeps, you know. And y'all, I always forget this step when I'm doing my hair, but I'm about to spray alcohol on this napkin and wipe the even spray that I just sprayed and the makeup off my forehead, so that my glue can lay better and last longer. This is something that I be forgetting to do, and I don't know, it just be slipping my mind. Just like, okay, cap on, let's go. But make sure y'all wipe all this stuff off, because it'll really help your install, trust me. And yeah, it's giving bald head. Now I'm gonna do 3 layers of glue. This is the wrong one. I'm gonna do 3 layers of glue because I want it to last a little bit longer. So however much glue you use depends on how long you want it to last. But I've never seen anyone use more than 3. So I don't know. Try at your own risk. So here is my wig. I don't know. I think we're gonna call her Brittany, because I just feel like Britney Spears when I put her on. But I'm about to spray the lace with this lace tint, and I really do not like lace tint, y'all. It's so messy, but it get the job done. It do. I'm not even gonna lie. And then with this being a blonde wig, I am so scared it's gonna stain my wig. Okay, so this is the last layer, and with every layer I just went further back on the cap. Why? I don't really know exactly why that works for me or why I do it, but I just know it works for me. It helps my wig to last longer, I will say that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this wig on. And I did cut my ear tails off, y'all. Let me show y'all what I did. And then when I place the wig down, I just like to comb the lace into my skin so that it can stick. Cause I feel like it don't be sticking. And I did the color on this hair, y'all. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god. And now I'm just gonna push it all back and put my scarf on. I lost all my lace bands and it's really bothering me. And I forgot to go to the store. Ooh, I just put on my lash. I forgot to go to the store and get another one. So I'm gonna use this edge scarf. If you don't use a waistband, whatever you're using, just make sure you tie it really tight so it can melt the lace. Now me feeling myself already. Like, I'm really, really, really feeling myself right now, and it's crazy. Well, it's not crazy, but I always do this when I do my hair, whether it's a retwist, a wig, anything. Like, girl, you are that big. Nobody can say otherwise. And you too. Yo, my hair is coming along. I wouldn't say great because I haven't even cut the lace yet, but it's cute. So it's coming along great. And I love this color on me. Like when y'all said brown skins, dark skins, whatever look good in blonde, y'all was not lying. Okay, so I just let that sit for a little bit. I don't even have a specific time frame. But y'all know the drill. Y'all know what's next. Okay, so boom, now we're gonna cut the lace. And I couldn't find no scissors, don't have an eyebrow razor, so I'm using this hair razor, which is basically the same thing as using an eyebrow razor. But if you want to do this, please be careful, because this joint is sharp and you don't really have control over it like how you would if you were using scissors or eyebrow razor. So just be careful. That's all I'm gonna say, because I'm trying to be careful myself. I had a little piece on the side over here sticking up, so I just put some glue under there and pressed it down. That's too much, not too major. After this, we're gonna melt it. And if y'all don't know what melting is, basically when you put your got-to-be or whatever you're using, even whatever to make up, and use your lace band again. I think, yeah, I'm not a professional, and I just been on what I learned, or when I learned. But I think that melting is when you use your hot comb and you're literally melting the lace into your skin. But people be saying that melting is this part that I'm finna do. But yo, like I said, it's not a tutorial, to each his own, whatever you wanna call it. That's what it is. As long as you're doing the install, it don't even matter what you call it. Okay, this is so cute, like, so cute. But yeah, we just gonna spray some of that on our finger and dab it onto the lace. I don't know, is it giving no edges, y'all? I think it's giving no edges, but I don't know, I'm not a no edges girl, and I'm kind of scared. Yeah, I don't like the no edges look. It made me look bald-headed. So we're just gonna go ahead with the go ahead, because I don't like that. And I'm still learning how to do edges on wigs. Like, I've gotten a lot better. over the years, but it's still a work in progress, honestly. My first time installing a wig was for my 16th birthday, and now I'm turning 19. So what, 3 years ago? Oh my god, it's been 3 years since my first wig install. That is so crazy. Dang, time is flying. 3 years? That made me seem old, because I know 3 years is not that long ago, but I've been out of high school for almost 3 years. I started high school 5 years ago. Like, it's just, oh my god, like, I'm gonna be 20 next year. Like, 2 whole decades, y'all. I basically been alive for 2 whole decades already, because, well, not even alive, but you know how they be saying about when you in the womb, and yeah, it's a whole thing. But yeah, 2 whole decades, and then I got so many more to go. That's scary. Now, why this company only sent me 1 clip with the wig? I would never understand that, but I guess. I don't know where my tweezers are. It's okay. I'm not tripping. I found them, y'all. What I just did was plug my edges. I plugged going down and going up so that the part in between my edges and my hair look more natural. And so that my edges are not so thick and full. I just want to say that it's hard to cut this hair with this razor. And then, of course, y'all know, curl your baby hairs before you lay them. And like I said, I'm really just learning how to do edges on wigs. And I will say, from what I've noticed, because when I first started doing wigs, or my wigs at least, I was not curling my edges. That's something new that they done came out with. But I was not curling my edges, and curling them actually makes it a lot easier to lay them, in all honesty. So invest in one of these 1 inch or ½ inch flat irons, because if you're trying to do wigs, you're gonna need it. Definitely. Whenever I find some scissors, I need to cut that, because I like to do them long so that I can lay them and then cut it. And I can't even cut it because I don't have no scissors. Let me go find some scissors, because and found some. Okay, that'll do, because I'm not finna fight. We're not fighting. And this is how much, you can't even see. This is how much mousse I use, y'all. I know some people use edge control, some people use got to be. I like to use mousse because I don't like putting all that product in my hair. Oh, it normally takes me longer to do my hair because I normally have to style it and stuff, but it was already styled. I just had to throw it on. I normally style it while it's on my head, but I did it on my mannequin this time because I have a mannequin this time. Yeah. how this fall out. Oh, I did just pluck it and I never combed it, but it still be shedding now, so that ain't even an excuse, honestly. I'm not really messing with this little thing right here. But it's cute or whatever. I'm not gonna fight with it. If that's how it's gonna lay, that's how it's gonna lay. I say that and then I go to fix it. I'm sorry, I just cannot. If I don't like something, it gotta be. Okay, that's better. That is a lot better. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me install this wig. Again, it is not a tutorial, it is not a tutorial, it is not a tutorial. But I hope y'all enjoyed, and if you did learn something, I'm glad that I could help. But again, it's not a tutorial. I just like to show myself doing things. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next, because I'm very open. And follow me on all my socials. They're always linked down below in the description box. Come get your hair done. If you're in Atlanta, Clayton County, Fayetteville, whatever, come get your hair done. Yeah. Other than that, that is it. Be on the lookout for the next video. Peace.